In 2021, countries all over the world gathered at the UN Climate Change Conference to address the impending climate disaster if we allow the global average temperature to rise above 1.5 degrees. Currently, the goal is still alive, but the pulse is weak. Therefore, we must continue our commitments, efforts, and collaboration for rapid action. Hi everyone, I'm Ahio.
And I'm Josh.
We are both first-year students at the British Columbia Institute of Technology in Vancouver.
In 2019, we partnered with the Food for Hungry in Ethiopia and Uganda, as well as Gulf Guatemala to conduct a needs assessment in the form of 2 surveys. Our findings indicated that 20 to 50% of the food being produced by local farmers in developing countries was going to waste. This was an alarming insight, given that these farmers were integral to local food communities' food source. This is where Raw Solutions comes in.
With the Raw Solutions project, we have created a solar dehydrator that fights food waste and ultimately climate change, all by using solar energy. Raw Solutions works towards 3 of the UN Sustainable Development Goals: zero hunger, decent work and economic growth, and climate action. Approximately 1.25 billion tons of food is wasted on farms annually. Additionally, the Worldwide Fund for Nature estimates that global food waste contributes to 10% of all global greenhouse emissions.
The development of the solar dehydrators began in 2019. After 2 iterations that year, we had tackled issues of usability, cost efficiency, and drying efficiency. In 2020, our 3rd prototype underwent testing at our facilities here at BCIT, where we gained valuable information about what we can expect from the dehydrators. Over the last 5 years, Enactus BCIT has collaborated with Enactus Okanagan College and the Kari Research Facility here at BCIT in transforming these prototypes into an efficient, small-scale dehydrator.
To complete our testing, we knew that we would have to test our final prototype in real-world conditions. Our partners at Okanagan College helped us by introducing to the North Okanagan Valley Gleaners, and through them, we connected with Dennis, the co-founder of Seeds to Harvest.
Seeds to Harvest has been testing our solar dehydrators in Guatemala for the last 11 months, providing us with feedback on the temperature control functions, necessary improvements to the bug screen tray durability, as well as the potential output in the variety of produce the dehydrator is able to process.
After 4 rounds of prototyping, the final shipped dehydrator has the tested capacity to offset 4 kilograms of waste every day, or 240 kilograms per year. This means our dehydrators are reducing methane emissions by 150 cubic meters per year.
These 10 dehydrators alone will be able to transform 2,400 kilograms of crop waste into nutritious food, helping reduce greenhouse gas emissions, food insecurity, and providing farmers with a secondary revenue stream. After seeing the effectiveness of the dehydrators demonstrated by Dennis, the Gleaners, one of our original partners, ordered 10 solar dehydrators. Once we had received feedback from Dennis, we reached out to the Gleaners to gauge interest in providing our dehydrators to the farmers within their network. They got back to us and became our first customer, purchasing 10 dehydrators with plans to redistribute them globally.
Our team came together in October of 2021 to manufacture, assemble, and ship these dehydrators to the Gleaners facility in Vernon. The COVID-19 pandemic and the extreme weather in BC have slowed supply networks and impacted the Gleaners' shipments, but as of February 2022, they are set to be shipped to Jamaica and the Dominican Republic by March.
Our next step for Raw Solutions will be selling more solar dehydrators to nonprofit organizations who have necessary resources to redistribute them equitably to farmers. We are currently pursuing relationships with several different NGOs based out of Central America, where we have strong proof of concepts.
NGOs have the financial means to purchase these dehydrators, as well as the network and resources to distribute them in rural communities. These NGOs will then be able to either outright donate or create financing plans for farmers.
We estimate that our manufacturing partner will charge approximately $225 per unit. Our goal is to sell each unit for $300, providing a profit margin of roughly $75 that we reinvested back into the project.
In 2021, we sold 10 solar dehydrators to NGOs despite the effects of the pandemic and disruptive weather patterns. Our goal now is to sell an additional 20 solar dehydrators by the end of 2022.
Raw Solutions has grown over the course of 5 years from a small concept into a realization that with the help to address climate change while providing vulnerable communities with resources to combat food insecurity.
We are Enactus BCIT.
And as the next generation,
we have taken the first small step to combat food waste, and we look towards scaling our project to global impact.